All right, we're looking at whether or not something is a function today. Domain, range, all that stuff, inequalities, interval notation, the whole 9 yards. So these are going to, we don't have them, but I'm going to put these on here. This is going to be, since there's not dots indicating that they stop right there, we're going to put some arrows on these. So when we're looking at this, we are going to look at our domain values or our x coordinates. Now this widens in both directions on the x forever and ever and ever. It doesn't stop because there's no stop points or end points on these. So since the arrows indicate that it continues forever, we are going to have this be all real numbers because this is a continuous graph. So that means every number is included on this. It will not stop going wider on the x-axis to the negatives. It will never stop going to the positive numbers on the x-axis that way. So my answer for this would be negative infinity to positive infinity. Parentheses are around those when we're talking about infinities because they never stop at a specific point. And if I'm writing this out, it would be all real numbers, so you put the little fancy R there to indicate that. And then when we're looking at our range values, now the range does stop. It does not go any further down than right here. Now this is 0 right here, so this is 2. So 2 is the lowest point, in which case this stops going down before it comes back up again. So it goes down, it goes down, it goes down, it stops going down to 2, and then it comes back up. So when we're taking a look at this, we have nothing lower than 2. Now it does include 2, so my y values can include 2 or they're greater than 2. And so I can write that as the inequality statement, and then as our interval statement, it's a hard stop at 2. It includes 2, so I put the hard bracket, and then it continues in the positive infinity forever and ever and ever. And that would be how I'd write this as far as the interval notation goes. And because it passes the vertical line test and no x's are repeating with different y values, we have a function. And if you want more questions like these, you can find them on my YouTube channel, my Instagram, and my TikTok at YouWantAlgebra. These are all located in the playlist of functions or not.